Every Reynolds 4.5 fine carbure blue pen begins with premium raw materials: white, blue, and transparent plastic pellets, brass wire.
The plastic pellets are melted and molded with extreme precision. White plastic becomes the pen barrel and plug, while transparent plastic becomes the ink refill tube.
Solid brass wire is transformed into precision writing tips using advanced CNC machining. Every tip is manufactured to microscopic accuracy for smooth writing. The world's hardest tungsten carbide balls are inserted into every brass tip. This tiny rolling ball controls the smooth flow of ink during writing. Special blue pigments, resin, solvents, and lubricants are blended into a perfectly balanced oil-based ink, then filtered to achieve consistent. Each transparent refill tube is filled with an exact quantity of blue ink, using fully automated precision filling machines. The precision brass writing tip is fitted onto the refill, and the blue end plug seals the tube securely to prevent ink leakage. Every refill is automatically tested to ensure smooth ink flow, consistent writing, and leak-free performance. The tested refill is inserted into the white barrel, the blue bottom plug is secured, and the signature blue cap completes the Reynolds 045 fine carbure pen. The famous Reynolds branding is printed with high-speed precision and instantly cured for a durable, long-lasting finish. After final inspection, the pens are counted, packed, boxed, and shipped across India, ready to deliver smooth writing to millions of users.